Hi guys, this is KittyCatCreations and I'm going to show you side by side the Macaroon Mini and the Kanken Mini. So as we can see here, there's not much difference between the sizes of these two bags. So I made a bag organizer for my mini Kanken and let me just show you. So this is made out of felt fabric and I got a lot left in my stash, so I decided to make myself one, and I don't want to spend extra money on bag organizer, so I thought it will be a good idea to make my own bag organizer. So if you want me to show you how I did this one, then just comment down below and let me know. So here is how you put it back onto the bag. Just insert the flap inside that back pocket and there you're done. Well, I think I already showed you from my previous videos each part of the bag. So from the portal pocket, side pockets, the straps, and internal part of the bag. So if you want to just if you want to check that out, just go onto my uploaded videos list and click onto the video. So yes, for now I will have to show you how I fit everything from this bag onto my new Kanken Mini. I think keeping your things organized inside your bag is really good, and I think my handmade bag organizer really did a good job inside my mini Kanken, so I'm really happy with the results, and there you have it. Now let's move on to my new Doughnut Macaroon mini bag, which I recently bought from Iscarpe.it, and the color is in rose. So they gave me some coupons, so if you're living in Italy, you can just use these codes. Okay. I really like the brown linings of this bag. It really gives this classic feel, so yes, I'm totally in love with this color. I know some of you wants to know which device can fit in this bag, so I have this iPad Pro 11 inches and it fits perfectly in this bag. And this is how it fits in the mini Kanken. As you can see here, I kept that sitting mat inside for added protection. Yeah, and it fits nicely and perfect Right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoy watching and thanks for watching. Bye!